To be everywhere in the songs that play on the radio, in the sunlight spilling through the coffee shop window, even the quiet of an afternoon when the world felt heavy. For the longest time, there was no escaping you. Every corner, every sound, every detail of all of it pulled me back into the memory of us. But something changed. Yesterday I walked past our old spot, and it was just a place. No spark, no shadow, just pavement and walls. I heard our song, the one we used to play on repeat, and I let it play. I did break me, I did move me. It was just music, and when your name conversation, I then flinch, I did force a smile to cover the sting, because there was no sting, not anymore. The truth is, I don't stay awake, replying the words I never said. The silence doesn't act the way it used to. Now, silence is just silence. And you're no longer the center of my universe. You're simply a shooting star who come and went. A flash in the sky, brilliant but brief, gone. You're just part of a chapter I'll already turn. I once thought letting go would be impossible, but there I am, standing in my own story, watching the credits roll on that scene, and realizing I already have. Thank you so much, Mama.